Okay, now we are starting our stream and I need to check the sound if it's okay, background and my voice. Okay. Now we are starting our stream and I need to check the sound. Yes, it's fine. Okay, good morning, good evening, good day everybody. My name is Dmitro, I'm streaming from Ukraine, Kyiv, and today we will have a flight from Ukraine, from Kyiv actually. Kyiv Juliani Airport, we will fly to Budapest, and it was like my first stream in English first. And second is that we are going to Budapest, and it was our first flight with my girlfriend back in 2017 when we firstly do kind of Euro trip. We visit 6 countries in 9 days. It was very fast experience. Few capitals, small cities in different countries, and our departure was from Kyiv, and we went to Budapest, and we used WizzAir air company. It was like one of the first low cost who operated in Ukraine. So we choose this low cost. We had only our bags, and using buses and aircraft, we just have like round trip, and back in Boryspil it took us 10 days. Okay, so it was first introduction about why I choose this flight and why we fly Boeing 737 in the WizzAir livery. Okay, now let's move to what you see on your left bottom corner. It's my flight sim setup, and I just want to show you. Okay, we need to close all the stuff. Just want to show you what you can see. Okay, it is Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020, as you know, as you see, and I use DIY joysticks. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 joysticks, which looks like ordinarily default joysticks, and I will show you that this CH Flight Sim yoke you see on your left. Кот, можно не играться, please? And you can see a kitty playing with something here. Please don't play, kitty. Okay, so CH Flight Sim yoke. It is second hand. I bought it a few years ago. And what else you can see here, which I bought? I think it's this Y tiller. So it's like wheel for racing games, very cheap wheel, and I do it for tiller purposes. And maybe some brakes here I have, and I think that's all. Okay, so now we move to DIY joysticks. It is my first joystick. I call it Casuar Leo, and actually it's multifunctional radio panel. You can see here a screen. I see frequencies here, and I can change frequencies of COM1, NAV1, NAV2, COM2, SQUOC, and ADF using these two rotary encoders and this potentiometer. And here is you can see small autopilot and the flaps control, gear control. Actually this autopilot is CAP 140 for general aviation, and this is for Piper, like old school autopilot I make, and this one. And when we move here, you can see more usual things. It is throttle quadrant, 3D printed throttle quadrant with throttle, propeller, and mixture control. And now I use only this for throttle for Boeing, and this is for spoilers. Okay, this is a computer, MCDU. As if we are speaking about Boeing, I will show you how it is working later, but we will see everything on here like in real Boeing. Now we move to these buttons. Maybe you see, maybe no. It is like modified CH Flight Sim yoke, some more buttons for lighting control here. And also you can see GNS 530, like GPS for general aviation. And now we will use it to see navigational display and primary display of Boeing. I will put here small screens. Maybe it will be better for me than to see it on a screen, because I have a laptop 17 inches, so it's not very big. So maybe I will use this screen for these purposes. Or I can put here any information I wanted. Maybe I can put here arrival chart or something like that, just to see here. Okay, and let's about either I already told you. You not see, but I have. You can see my cat is singing now. Okay, here I have. Actually, it's a remake from cheap joystick. I bought it for I don't know, maybe $8 or $10, and I do parking brakes and some more buttons from it. For now, I do not use this for this aircraft, but for small general aviation aircraft, I use this like fuel pump and for some buttons to prepare flight. And this one on the left, it is actually overhead for Boeing 737 PMDG, and you will see that I will use it to prepare a flight, and after departure and during flight, so it's like overhead. It's only for general, for standard procedures, I mean, not any emergencies, so it's only about 40 buttons here, but I hope they will work, and I tested already, it's actually working fine. Now we move to this panel, and as you see, it is YEFIS panel. I will open, oh sorry, something goes wrong here. Okay, so this one panel is MCP panel, actually kind of autopilot for Boeing. And this one is YEFIS panel, you can see it here, the same button, same everything. Oh, nice. Okay, and I think that's all. Also, I have rudder pedals near here. I think you not see them, but they're here. It is also DIY buttons, and you can see a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, and you can check them to see how I done this stuff. Okay, now we slowly move into our flight. I have water here. And I think we can start our flight. Also, you can see it's a microphone. I'm speaking to it. I don't know if it will be too laggy or not. I hope it will be fine, because I do settings not like to push too much graphic settings, and to have like a good performance. Also, you can see my face, and cat is playing with things he do. Cat, please stop it. Give me a chance to do a stream, please. Okay, now let's prepare our flight. I will use sim brief for it, and we have new sim brief. Let's start with sim brief dispatch options. I do not have any favorite things here, just UKKK, LHBP. I hope it's alternate auto, departure time, it's fine. Aircraft 737-700, 737-700, variant of frame, default. Yes, it's Budapest, it's okay. And okay, it's fine, Vienna. And also it's my 9th flight on the Boeing 737 PMDG in this flight sim, so I'm not too good with it, with landings, but I'm trying, and usually I turn off autopilot and up to throttle before landing because I want to feel like landing, so my landings are not so good. Usually I make a few jumps, something like that. So we will see what will be this time. Maybe this time I will use up to throttle until touchdown, until it will turn off automatically. Okay, Lido kilograms, flight maps default, taxi out in OK, contingency auto, everything is auto, departure runway is 26 because why? Because of the wind, and unfortunately because of this fucking Russian invasion we have no METARs, no flights, no civil flights here. So I use like some kind of program which tells me what is actual wind now, and I don't know why, but it's told me that wind is 270 18 knots, but before departure I check it was 2. Okay, anyway we will use I think this information, so 270. Yes, it's closer, it's about 8 to 12 knots. Okay, so we will use this information on the top left corner. And about QNH, it is 29er 59er inches, and temperature +5. About weather in Hungary, we will use some kind of METAR. Just give me a second. I need to cross-check the sim brief planning. METAR, okay. And Budapest. Search. LHBP, okay. Oh, nice. Yes, perfect wind. No tailwind here and no crosswind, so I expect for ± normal landing. Okay, let's go. So 353 runway 31, I think. Yes, 31 right is okay for us. Passengers, it will be, let's take 1, 2, 3 passengers on board and 1 ton of freight. Let it be auto, 0 fuel weight auto. Okay, and now we have departure, some kind of departure seed and star, and let's cross check it in validator, another validator, and it called pass finder, and this is using Iraq cycle 2301, and here we have for free 2103, so you can see difference, and it's better to cross check if everything is fine. Okay, Lapfa Melbe Takas, Kafel Pobov Lonla. Something goes wrong. Okay, let's put it. Okay, Kafel Lapva, yes, the same. Kafel Lapva Pobov Lonla. It's find me another kind because it use another runway, not 31, but so Malbe. Maybe let's put here via Lonla, maybe it will change something. Lonla. Find route. Yes, okay, Lonla is fine. And here what the arrival, we have arrival Nikra and Ulpax. Lonla, Ulpax. Find route. Maybe it's arrival, so let's Lukla and Lahore. Okay, try Lukla. Okay, try Lahore. But I don't know, it's look fine. Why Ulpax? Okay, we will save this route. Let it be. Let it be. Lava, Pobov, Lonla, Betet. Lonla, Betet here. Lonla. Lonla. Maybe try this one. Little bit longer, but no. Why it use departure not from 26 runway? I don't know. Departure runway 26, so Kafir, Lava. Let's see charts. Actually, Jebs and charts. It will be a long start, maybe half an hour. Usually it takes me to prepare some kind of flight, so I'm not hurrying. I just want everything to be fine. Okay, after Lonla, what we have for LHBP? Arrival. Litku, Badov, Litku, it's departures and arrivals. Ebamo, Uzlak, Annexa, Ebamo. Departures. Okay, for arrivals we have 4 arrivals here. And let's check them. Runway 13 left, no. Runway 31 left, right, it's okay. 13, no. And this one, 31 left, right. Okay, we have Annexa, no, it's kind of stupid. Maybe this one will be better. Yes, it's much better. Yes, and we will use Betet for arrival. Okay, Betet to hotel. Betet. Find route. Okay, maybe. Okay, yes, finally we will use this one because it's actually, I see Betet here, and Soloveykovka, as you see here. I'm sure that it is kind of, let's save this one, not save but open, and let's see departure. Are now arrivals and departures. Where is departures? Basor. Soloveyevka. Yes, here is to Soloveyevka. Let's just choose runway for us. It will be this one. So Soloveyevka to Lima are now departure. Perfect. Yes, we will use it. No Kafel, just Soloveyevka. Okay, so Soloveyevka. Oh, yes, perfect. Okay, this is okay for us. Maybe it calculated little bit longer, but anyway. Soloveyevka 2 kilo. Why 2 kilo? It is to Lima. So you'll put here Lima. Analyze route. Yes, it's valid. Perfect. Now we can move. Just generate flight. It's new design, so I'm not too good with it. Okay, departure time 920, arrival time, okay, 2-hour flight, air time 1 hour and 30 minutes, flight time 2 hours. Yes, we have flight plan, we have route, we have departure airport, elevation, runway, perfect, just perfect here. Okay, now move to our flight and to cockpit setup. I have flight plan here. Oh, sorry, I have checklist here, and now I will do it step by step. Cat is sleeping behind. Okay, so we start from battery on and guarded. Okay, throttle down. Position light steady. Position light actually it's okay. APU start switch start, I do it here. Okay, and wait until this green light start to lighting. And let's move behind to hear what is going on with our APU. Sorry, it will not work because I need to start this kind of MobiFlight connector. I put run here, and now I can do this one. Okay, now APU will start. I hope you see sound. And let's check if GS6 is, yes, GS6 is working fine. GS6 will help us with loading people and cargo on board. Okay, as you hear, APU is starting. I'm waiting for light here. And just for your information, to have more precise knowing about Kyiv and its scenery, it is free scenery from Flight Sim 2, and actually it was a remake from Flight Simulator from previous generation, FS6 I think. It is old terminal, and now we move to new terminal. Just outside you can see what it looks like, because no details inside. So it is how it looks like. Terminal A, and here I think it's Terminal B. Terminal B is more for business aviation and so on. And also we have kind of tower. It's airport almost inside the city, so it's not too big, and we have Boryspil Airport. Now I'm moving to tower. Boryspil Airport, it has 2 runways, and it's the biggest runway in, not runway, but largest airport in Ukraine. So it's view from tower, you can see runway, everything is fine, little bit laggy. Okay, and now I see that APU has already started, so I will do this one here, yes, and put emergency, okay, lights. And let's do this kind of setup for just move it out. Okay, I start with this screen. I need to pop out it. Alt enter. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Yes, I can see everything fine here, and I think you can see that it's fine. I don't know why it's so huge delay from my actual movement, so maybe I need to reload my this one. Yes, maybe now it's better. Yeah, yeah. But I move it. My God. What is going on? I know. Kitty cat, keep silence, please. Okay, so it is working, I hope. Let's check KLM. Yes, everything is printed fine. And for this screen, I want to pop up these two windows. Just move it out from here. I'm not sure how to do it, but okay, just move it out and put it here. Just a second, sorry. Yes, I can see screen. I'm not sure if it's again working fine. Sorry, just a second. I need to do some settings here just to avoid all this laggy stuff. Let's move to settings here. Let's do this one. I just turn off sensor inputs here, so now I think it will work fine. Yes, it's no lagging now. So I put here this one screen and this one screen. Something goes wrong. Every time I do this stuff, something goes wrong. I can't believe it. Why? Why? Okay, some maintenance online. I will turn on one fuel pump because APU is working. Okay, so maybe some kind of delay now. But I need to deal with it. I want it to work fine. I use Space Desk application. It is free application to. Why now you're not working? It's very old phone, so it's lagging every time I try to do something. Okay, now it's working fine. Good. Okay. Maintenance completed. Okay, what about this screen? Everything is lagging. Okay, not a big deal, but if it will getting worse and worse, I need to close at least this one screen. Maybe let's do it immediately. I just turn off this space disk is off, so now no screen here. Okay, and close here. So, what is going on? Please close. I'm sorry guys if somebody is watching this for this delay. I just want to everything is working fine, but it has another idea. Maybe now? Who shit. Okay, I see it's working fine. So let's move forward. Again, I see this delay on the another screen. I don't know why it happens, but yes, nothing is good for why it have so huge delay. I don't know. Okay, now no delay. You can see screens here. Let's continue our startup. Not startup, but cockpit preparation procedure. IRS mode, I put it here. IRS, okay. Yaw damper on here. Fuel system check and set. Crossfit selector closed. I see it's closed. Fuel pumps on. Let me turn on all fuel pumps, and we can check it here that everything looks similar to this panel. Emergency exit lights, arm and guarded, yes. Passenger signs on or auto. Passenger signs on. Windows heat on. It's on because let's do it on because it's in auto. hydraulic pumps A and B all on. Hydraulic pumps all on. I do it here. Air conditioning system pack switches auto or high. Auto or high. I put it in auto. Okay, let's do it high anyway. And then isolation valve, it's open. Yes, I see it's open. Engine and APU bleed on. Engine on, APU bleed on. Now we will start to hear background noise, so air conditioning or condition is working. Okay, and pressurization system. Let's move to overhead panel and see what we have. First of all, our cruising altitude. It is 380, so I do it here for 380. You can see on the top right corner that something is changing. Not too fast, but anyway. 380, okay. And landing altitude is what we have for landing altitude here now 0, and Budapest is 500. Okay, it's on, and you can see here is auto. Okay, now we can move to our cockpit preparation. I think is kind of finished. We can start to load passengers and crew on board, and we will use GS6 for it. GS6, just let's start with maybe entering IRS position. Okay, FMC. Where is it? Another little bit maintenance. And index, position, and second page, copy from GPS left and put it to here. Is copy completed? What is going on now? Yes, now it's working okay. Okay, reference airport. Let's put it down here and continue with our passengers and all the kind of visual effects. Okay, completed. Put it in reference airport here. Click. Yes, we see that position, last position, and it's almost the same, so it's fine. Okay, move to GS6, and also I use for 38 minutes already. Oh my god, it is so long. I use this kind of program PAC-X for start flight, for sounds, and for like some kind of report. Here we put 40 and takeoff in 45. Sorry, in 25. Okay, next. Flight number. Flight number. Where is flight number? Flight number is test 009. Next. 1, 2, 3 passengers. Perfect. 737-700. Custom safety briefings. I put Ukrainian Aviation Company MAU briefing. Put start, and as you see on background, some kind of movements on the background starts already. So now we can move to GS6 and turn on and start actually boarding, I think. Why not?
The boarding requested.
Boarding requested. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And also we can request no stairs, but catering. And I need to move here and turn on doors. Not turn on, but open doors. Cargo doors already opened. Okay, good. And we go to set up our aircraft. I do it on this screen, so I will not use a kind of this panel because it's for computer. Why I see this screen of GS6 on the here? Why? Why you are here? Another kind of something goes wrong, because usually PACX have a small panel which shows the status of a flight, and now it is on the wrong place on this screen. I don't know why it's moved here. Maybe if
Passengers deboarding starting.
we do kind of this one, it will move somewhere. Okay, I'll close and open PACX again because something is wrong with it. Just a second, another just a second. We will never start flight, so yes. Close PACX. Okay, now it's good. Let's start again PACX. Menu, start flight. Flight number test 009er. Departure in 23 minutes, let it be, and here is little bit longer flight. Next, 1, 2, 3 passengers next. Again, PACX is on another, what the Okay, I will move this. Oh my god. Okay, I will not use this. Yes, no, this CDU for this time. I will close it because I can't use it. I can't use it because the panel. I will show you now why. And we will continue without it. Okay, so it is kind of phone. I don't know if you see, and you see this down panel here from PACX. It close the. I can't change it. I don't know where it is changed. This lowest bottom panel, I can't remove it from PACX, so I just need to close this application, and we will move forward without using this stupid program. Okay, so no joystick.
Passengers deboarding starting.
This one is why it's not changed, I don't know. I have just closed it. Okay, we missed passenger loading. Do you see passengers? Why passengers are deboarding? Why you move out from aircraft? Oh my god. It's totally broken. Why it is doing so strange things? Why you are deboarding my aircraft? Why they come in and then go out? Just amazing. It is first time this thing is happened to me. Whew. Just restart everything, please. We cannot go ahead with this. Oh my god. And this another lagging time. Why are you again laggy? Why are you lagging? Everything is going wrong on this stream. Okay, now. Okay, G6. Please start boarding, not deboarding. Request deboarding. Why deboarding? Why deboarding? Okay, we put 0 passengers here, and maybe now. Why I think I'm full of passengers? Please restart everything. The start was normal, but now I see it's going wrong. Almost everything is going wrong. Okay, what about G6? Can you start boarding? Request the boarding. Why the boarding? Request boarding. Okay, it's some kind of new feature here, so I'm sorry, it's my fault. I need to push request boarding.
Boarding requested.
Okay, menu, FS sections, doors, open, 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 open. Okay, boarding started, so requested, start flight again, 133, 123. Whew! My god. 1 to 3 passengers. Okay, custom safety briefing. Now we will move forward, finally. Start. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, I will use mouse to do inputs for computer, but for other stuff I will use this panel. What about your damper? Is it okay? Let's just cross check. Yes, it's okay, it's on. APU is working, crew bus is coming. Good weather today in Kyiv. Sunny, little bit of clouds, +5 Celsius, so looks great. Looks great. PAC-X starts. Let's check status if it's working. Boarding status check. Okay. 22 minutes. 22 minutes.
Pilots boarding starting.
Pilots boarding started. Let's see. Pilots boarding. Condor. Not too fast. Some big bold guy and another guy from, I don't know, black haired guy. No, do this, no. Oh no. Why you so hurrying up? Bold guy.
Crew boarding starting.
Crew boarding finished, I think, already. Crew, it's, I mean, flight attendants. Okay, nice. Let's check what about disk space on my driver. 25 gigabytes more, so plus minus fine. Okay, let's start from here again. So what about block fuel? Let's request refueling and request catering. Request refueling and request catering service. Catering. Okay, fuel. We have on board already some fuel. Let's check. Let's do it now. Let it be this amount.
Your crew has boarded.
Okay. Position in it is completed here. IRS position is set. What about route? IRS, we will have IRS problem on this board. I don't know why, but it's kind of thing that we have here. Departure arrival is, let's set departure and arrival. Departure. Okay, let's move step by step, but start from sim brief panel. Why it's disappear? Okay, now I see it.
Passengers boarding starting.
Okay, payload block fuel 6.5. Okay, extra fuel 0 fuel. Alternate finres plus alternate 0 fuel weight. Take off weight payload. Oh my god, we will going kind of heavy. Passengers, okay, 1, 2, 3 passengers here. Okay, and cargo, it is 1.70, something like that. 165 0, let it be here, and 1669 forward cargo. Maybe not the best balance, but anyway, it's fine for now. And fuel, we will put in fuel when let's put sign of please not smoking on board. Okay, people are boarding. Let's do like checklist. Okay, first of all, we need to save a route from what the flight plan we have. SLV, Pobuf, Lonla, Betet. Okay, it's easy, so we will type it here. FMC, initref, index. Okay, okay. We will put here what is flight level. 380. What about refueling? And where is passengers? Where is passengers? Please give me passengers. Boarding passengers now. Why no passengers? I don't know why. Baggage loading is going okay, but no passengers for now. Doors opened, stairs here. So what is going wrong now? Late for scheduled departure, try another time. Are you kidding me? Oh, sim brief. Why are you do this kind with me? Just do another time. Okay, let's do it 9:50. No problem. Just 9:50. Okay?
Refueling truck is on its way. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask to do it.
GS6 is kidding with me. Reload sim brief. Okay, I need to close doors here. Everything is going wrong now. Everything. I'm not too good, but I do stream. I don't know why.
Catering vehicles are on their way.
Anyway, we will deal with this situation and... Okay, close doors, so we will finish with baggage loading and what GS6 is thinking about starting load passengers.
Fuel truck is in position.
Close left entry. Ah, maybe passengers already on board. Okay, maybe passengers already on board. Maybe...
Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity.
Okay, as I remember, desired fuel quantity is...
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. This is your flight attendant speaking. At this time, please be sure to make sure all large carry-on items are in the overhead bin.
Is it fine for you?
No, and we would be happy to help you. If the overhead bin is full after you put your carry-on inside of it, please close the bin as a courtesy to other passengers. Once all your items are put away, please...
Okay, catering is loading and fuel truck is...
Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity.
I do it, why you not consider it?
Please make sure you are willing and able to perform the actions required. If you are not able or prefer not to perform these actions, please let a flight attendant know so you can be reseated. Feel free to use your cell phones during the rest of the boarding process, but we do ask that laptops, tablets, and any other larger electronic devices are stowed once we depart from the gate. Thank you and welcome aboard.
Okay, jet fuel truck, you can go away.
Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity.
I do it already. Why are you asking me to do this stuff every time? Every time you ask me to do it. Just move away. Something wrong with these services. Okay, yes, it do something. Okay, finally. Okay, passengers are on board and according to the lady, left entry, left, okay, I close it, okay. So, consider the situation that passengers are already on board. Whew. Fuel already on board. Yes, fuel truck is move away or no? What are you doing with some kind of sandwich? J6 is what's thinking about the situation. The boarding, catering in position, fuel truck is in position, boarding completed. Boarding completed, that's fine. fine. Catering. Okay, finally catering is completed too. But the aircraft is not prepared yet. Okay. Just do everything from here. Okay, cost index. Where is cost index? 14. 14. Reserves. Fuel reserves. It is this one, I think, 2.3. 2.3. Nothing interesting on the next page. Cruising wind, weather, average wind 306 / 79er. Done. N1 limit, we will use takeoff here. Okay, here and here. Okay, perfect. Takeoff, flaps 5. CG automatically put here 641. Let's use joystick to do it. .640 is fine. And what else? Route from Kyiv to Lima Hotel Bravo Papa. Okay. Flight number 009, let it be. And first waypoint is SLV. Put here SLV. It is Solovivka. Next one is Pobov. Next one is Lonla. Next one, Betet. Where is it? Betet, where is it? Okay. Okay, execute. Departure arrival now. Departure runway 26 and Soloveykovka to Lima. It's fine. Let's change scale to see. Yes, I see it's fine. No, actually it's not fine because to Lima. Ah, yes, now it's fine. And for departure, for arrival, sorry, runway 31 right, LS runway 31 right, LS 31 right, and BT to hotel, BT to hotel. Execute. Okay, now it's fine. Take off. Now we have takeoff speeds and maybe wind on departure. Let's put 272 slash, sorry, 272 slash, it told me 21 knots. Oh my god, crazy wind. Okay, acceleration, here we not touch anything, let it be like standard. And speeds, now we have V1, V2 and we rotate, so 134 plus 15, it's 149er. Now we can put here 149er completed. Runway heading for departure. Runway heading. Let's check if okay, flight directors on, and let's check LNAV and VNAV. It's working. Yes, it's working, so it's fine. It's fine, so our flight plan is completely fine. Now move to set flaps 5. Oh, sorry, I do it here. Flaps 5. Auto brake RTO. V2 plus 5 team, and now our heading, runway heading. Okay, let's check runway heading here. Runway heading. Where is runway heading? Ah, it's on charts. So 259er is heading 259er.
We're on your time now.
259er is fine.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard Flight 09. Our flight time will be roughly 1 hour. And the cabin door is closed. Please make sure that all devices are in airplane mode and your large devices
We
are now
continue
set down in
altitude.
mode. Please fasten your seatbelt and make
Altitude
sure that all tray
is,
tables and seat backs
let's
are in a
check
full upright
again.
lock position for departure. Cabin crew, prepare cabin for departure.
No problems with any altitudes. So for Соловейковка, no limits. Just climb, climb, climb and climb. No problems at all. Move to Соловейковка. Transition altitude I need to put somewhere in. So let's move somewhere. I not remember. Transition altitude is okay now. Okay, take off. Just keep takeoff page on. Now we continue auto throttle while it's on. I don't know. Let's off it for now. Altimeter set local. Okay, I have QNH here. And local QNH is 29er 59er, so 29er 59er. Okay, now it's fine. And go ahead with this. LNAV arm, everything is okay for now. Auto brakes, RTO, parking brakes set. Let's set parking brakes. I just put it legs here. Push the brakes and do this. No. Maybe now? Yes, now it's fine. Okay. Let's move forward. Doors closed, transponder set and standby. Transponder is 1, 2, 3, 4 for this flight. No problem with it. It's for ground. No pushback requested. Here we will just start to move. So now chocks, we can remove chocks. Sorry, not from this screen, but for this screen. Sections, pushback, chocks removed. We have altitude. Let's dial here like our cruising altitude to have no problems at all after departure. Just climb to cruising altitude. No restrictions at all. 38 0. Okay, completed. What else? Now I think we can move to starting engines, anti-collision lights on. Okay, and here I need to go to anti-collision on. Okay, okay. So for now everything is fine. Some kind of lights here, and yes, engines are not started yet, so it's fine. It's fine. Maybe windows hit. Yes, on. Probe heat on. Wing and engine anti-ice not required now. Good weather. And close it now. Okay, let's move to engine start procedures. So packs off, I do it here, L and right packs off. Anti-collision lights on and on. Okay, flight deck door closed, fuel check fuel 6.6, it's fine. Passenger signs on. MCP V2 heading and altitude completed. Takeoff speeds we have here 123, 128, 134. CDU pre-flight completed. Rudder and aileron trim 0. Okay, taxi and takeoff briefing completed. Anti-collision lights on. Okay, pushback required. Pushback not required for now. Runway 26. We need to go. What direction we need to go? Actually, let's check it. I think we need to go to, oh, sorry. It's not a huge problem to taxi, because to any direction we have a long taxiway, and now we need to move to that side of runway. And from above, from the bird fly altitude, you can see it from the height of flight. This is Kyiv and airport. Kyiv looks like this. I will do like a screenshot for this flight. Okay, file, save as, blah blah blah, and close the stuff. Okay, move back to cockpit. Another kind of flaggy stuff. I need to reload again. Okay, continue. Okay, from this point we will start with engine startup procedure. What is going on here? Engine to ground. Engine ground. Where is it? Woo. Okay, start from right. So right ground. Okay. And just wait here until 25% of N2 will be reached, and we can move here. You can hear the sound, and now yes, lever is.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the screen for an important safety demonstration. Thank you for flying with us.
Why something goes wrong? No, it's fine. It's just my mistake, because I pull up wrong wrong engine. Okay, and just waiting until this button will rotate to the auto position, and check here if everything is going fine. You can hear pre-flight safety briefing cabin crew is doing now in Ukrainian. Okay, right engine start is fine. Let's move to right engine again, move here, ground. Now waiting here until reach 2025. Okay, let's go. Now looking here, and left engine starting up to back to the cockpit. Just check if waiting till this is going to auto, and expect here 20% and here is 59, almost done. Engine stabilized, just waiting few more seconds. Okay, now it's fine, so no problems at all. Generators down here and down here, and APU is air conditioning pressurization on, so back to here. Pack switches auto, done. Anti-ice not needed. Air conditioning pack switches auto, isolation valve move to auto. Then engine bleed on, yes, on. APU bleed air off, APU itself off. Flight controls, let's check flight controls, but I hope it's fine. Again, why it's so laggy, I can't understand. I do nothing wrong, but it's lagging. Overhead panel check, no orange lights, yes, it's fine. Recall button only IRS problems, but I don't know what is going on here, and usually I always have this problem on 737-700. So generators on, prop heat on, anti-ice not required, isolation valve auto, engine start switches continuous only without auto ignition. We have auto ignition, so no problem with it. Recall checked on the IRS, but no problem, we will fly with this. Flight controls checked. Ground equipment, let's check. No ground equipment around. Yes, no ground equipment around. Again, it's too much laggy stuff. Why? Again, I don't know. And taxi lights on, runway turn-off lights on. Okay, transponder set, standby. Okay, standby position. Okay, so now everything looks fine. Let's start our taxiing. So just pull the brakes, little bit power, and let's start our taxiing. And also let's check spoilers if yes, it's working fine. Okay, we have a taxi route here. Okay, no problem now. Okay, be careful about this stuff on our left. Oh my god, easy, easy, easy. Why it is lagging, I don't know. What is taxi speed? 24, maybe let's do it little bit less. And again, I need to reload this camera. I pay for it about $5 or something like that, but still it's not, it don't want to work like normally. This Apple Cam application is totally garbage. Oh, just a second. Why you going here? Please just move straight. Why you move? Sorry, high level of realism is not about this flight. Okay, we're getting closer to the runway, so maybe we can read some kind of checklist. Let's check. Yes, brakes are fine. Transponder okay. MCPL nav altitude set. Let's turn on auto throttle. Even now. Flaps okay. Stabilizer trim is okay. Replay tool. We will turn on replay tool. Okay, we are approaching here, so taxi lights, strobe lights on, logo lights off, runway turn off, lights and taxi lights off, and landing lights on. I'm taxiing with my left hand, so you can see it on the left here. And let's push brakes to slow her down. Not full stop, oh my god. Okay, we 10 minutes later than scheduled, but anyway, let's continue. Okay. No, we completely messed up with this turn. Everything is going not good on this stream. Everything. I need to better prepare for every stream, but sorry for that. Okay, now I think we line up with the runway. Now it's fine. Let's check checklist before. Yes, 5 degrees. Yes, checked. MCP checked. Recall button. Let's check it. Only IRS. It's fine. Not a big deal. Replay tool. Let's start replay tool. Replay tool. Record it started from replay tool. And also what I want to check is what about What is Pakik thinking about our flight? Okay, everything is ready. It's not the page that I want to open from Pakix. Okay, anyway, let's do, because I do not have any panel, so let's go. Engine start, selectors, continuous landing lights on, strobe lights on, after throttle arm, take off, okay, yes, squawk yes, weather radar and terrain radar turn on, speed brakes not armed, and let's check if everything okay. Yes, no warning lights, so we can move on. Take off thrust applied, and let's go.
80 knots. V1, rotate.
Rotate completed.
Positive rate of climb.
Gear up. Okay, flaps 1. Flaps removed. Altitude is okay, everything is okay. Autopilot on. Now it's flying, I think, okay. Yes, VNAV, LNAV, okay, and 1 okay. So departure without any problems for now, and aircraft start to slowly climbing to desired altitude, and I see speed restrictions on the screen. So for now we are fine. Let's just look outside, see the view. Okay, after takeoff checklist, let's read it. We can read it from here or from here. Engine bleeds. Okay. Pax auto, landing gear up and off. Okay, let's move it to off. Fine. Auto brake remove. Flaps up, no lights, up, no lights. So now just continue to climb. Maybe better to turn on some anti-ice. No anti-ice required. We are fine over clouds now, and approaching to 10,000 feet. So we need to change pressure settings. I will just do one click here and it will go to standard pressure, and maybe some kind of okay, 10,000, landing lights off and passenger sign off. Okay, everything is going fine.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have now passed 10,000 feet. You may now turn on your larger portable electronic devices. This is also a reminder to please keep your seatbelt fastened while you're seated.
Finally, it's not lagging at all, so just very good situation. Let's check outside what is going on. WizzAir, departure from Kyiv, nice clouds around. From this side, I think it's good view. And climbing to flight level 380 now. And what about Let's back to cockpit. Flight level 140 now. Speed is 196. That's fine. Continue climbing. Recall button only IRS, no problems with it. Yes, we are take off, no problems. It is the easiest step now completed. Easiest step completed. Check everything is fine. Check air pressurization, no problems. Cabin 5 and 5 to 6 for everything is fine. Yes, everything is looking fine. APU breathe off, engines okay after. Yes, the flight is okay. Let's just check our route if it's go to Soloveykovka. Yes, and from plan view, top of climb, perfect. At Soloveykovka we need to be at flight level 100 or higher, so no problems, and we have some kind of oh my god, wind is not good for us. No, that wind is our ground speed is 346. Oh, it's not too good speed, ground speed. Not the best day to fly from Kyiv, but anyway, what we have here, limitations, maximum rate, maximum angle, we're not touching it. So for now everything is fine. We just have to read, where is it, logo lights, passing sights, landing lights off, altimeter standard. Yes, everything is fine. At cruise, pressurization checked, anti-ice not required, passenger signs off, center fuel tanks off and low pressure off. Yes, no problems. Okay, navigation and cross check, top of descent check, no problems with it at all. Everything is looking fine from here. Now we will have approximately 1 hour of horizontal flight, I think, and we will just look to the window and just relax, I think, because I see no problems. No problems. Just look at the window, and maybe I will turn on some background music because I can. Why not? Why not? Kitty cat, what is going on? Kitty cat, you can see a hand of kitty cat. Kitty cat hand. Actually it's not a hand, but I don't know how it is called. Another view from a window, kind of bleak, so I not see WizzAir sign, or it just, I don't know why it's not. And here, no WizzAir. Let's check cockpit and our altitude. Yes, we have a strong headwind. Oh my god. Okay, next waypoint will be in 10 minutes, 72 miles, and we almost reach a cruising altitude of 380. We will not start our arrival preparation now, maybe later. So just back to see this beautiful view from the window and continue our horizontal flight, and little bit background music for now. Yes, kitty cat. Maybe I will turn off myself, and just you can see beautiful view outside. And I will turn off my micro. Okay guys, I come back to you. I hope stream is continue fine. A little bit I'll push it down. Because okay, anyway, let it be like this. What is interesting, you can see here. Spoilers, you not see spoilers. Okay. Maybe something like this. Yes, this is orange spoilers. Okay guys, so let's prepare our arrival. It's like here. Okay. Now we fly over Carpathians. You can see here our route from PAX. Actually not too satisfied our passengers, I don't know why. For now they not see our departure and landing, so I don't know why they already unhappy, so who knows. Oh, what it. Okay, so we are going to land at Budapest, runway 31 right. Let's check if everything set okay for our plan view and zoom it in. As you see here, I think everything looks fine. Now let's check this procedure here. Okay, so we arrive here and Lukla. Then from this point we move to Nikra, and after Nikra we can join IAF. So we proceed here with this heading and we expect vectoring for runway 31 right. This is actually this runway. Here it is, 31 right. But from this point, as you see on here, from Nikra I do direct to this point, so it will be turned and we will catch localizer, or we will check what is IAF Nikra stands for. So let's go for Jepsen and charts. Okay, and let's establish some altitude for our arrival, and we can see that 4,000 feet, not lower for our IAF, so I will put here 4,000 feet. Now, no other restrictions, so let it be 4,000 feet, and let computer descend to this altitude. Okay, 4,000 feet, it is good for us. So let's move to chart, and I will use Jepsen chart. 31 right for arrival. Internet is working normal. Budapest, data about airport. And we are looking for ILS, cut 2 and 3, 21 right. Yes, this one I'm looking for. We will not do auto land, but this time maybe I will try to do kind of. Yes, you see IAF Nikra, and we need to be at 2,500 before this point on localizer, before distance 6.6 to BRP. So what frequencies we can find here? First of all, it is LSDME 109.5. So let's go here. 109.5 active frequency, 109.5 here. But maybe for now let's put also VRDME frequency and let it be no other frequencies, it's just for information, another frequency of boot for runway left, but here another frequency is used for approach is 115.5, 115.5, yes, VOR. So let it be here VOR S nav2 and ILS S nav1. Okay, done. And let's check headings for landing, and course is, where is it? .307. Okay, 307 here. 307 here. Done. For heading we will not use now any data, so it will be like nothing here. Okay, come back to our chart. Let's check what passengers expect and what we will have. Go to program and expected landing and 1124. 1124, it will be in 31 minutes, and our passenger expect arrival at 21 minutes. So maybe, not maybe, but definitely we will have a delay for 10 minutes. So let's announce it. Type delay. Let's tell about weather because actually it's due to crazy wind. Very short. Okay, now our passengers will be maybe a little bit more happy. I don't know. We see deceleration speeds here. Deceleration points. Continue to map view, and you see we have crosswind plus headwind little bit. So our ground speed is little bit lower than expected that it could be. Approaching top of descent, we set everything okay, but maybe we need to go to approach, let it be 30 flaps and 131 knots here, and we can see ILS frequency and course, everything is fine. So, and we will use maybe auto brake too, as usually, because I'm not too good at landings for now. Flap speed, so 30 here. Yes, I think we are done for now. 131. Fine. Fine, everything is set up. Let's check our weather. Okay. Search. Okay. wind 300 degree 16 knots, little bit broken and scattered clouds, no big deal. Temperature is okay. Okay, no problems. Runway 31 is perfect for us. Broken layers, scattered clouds, nothing special. Nothing special. It's okay. QNH settings, sorry. Again. Search. What is QNH? 1019er. So let's type here 1019er in our again, little bit laggy, sorry. 1019er 1019er set. Temperature plus 15, dew point 7. Airport info, nothing special, nothing special. Elevation 500 is perfect. Budapest, Hungary, runway 31 left, 31 right. Bearings 312. Fine. Okay, let's read checklist in order not to miss anything. Altitude preselect 3000 feet or proper procedure altitude done. Pressurization check. Verify landing altitude check. Landing data, approach speeds and VREF. Approach and VREF, yeah. Okay. LS frequency set. After brake set. Radio baro minimum check set. Nav AF radius and ADF and MCP set. Anti-ice not required. Centrifugal tanks off. Low pressure no problems. Crossfit off. Engine start selectors auto, else continuous not required. Landing lights at 10,000 feet and passing signs at 10,000 feet. So for now no problems at all. Waiting descent, starting top of descent, reaching top of descent and start to descent, and it will happen in 8 minutes. No, sorry, not 8 minutes. It's in progress page, so just in 1 minute. Let's see, let's look outside and okay, what about missed approach? Let's prepare for missed approach too. Little bit. Where is the chart? DME required okay, NICRA, TCO, ATICO, Endofena, transition RNAV1, GNSS, okay, RNAV1, GNSS required for missed approach, no problem. Okay, maximum 185 and the missed approach RNAV. Climb to this point, turn right at speed maximum 185 knots, direct to TPS VOR, and continue climb to 3000 feet. At 3000 feet enter holding TPS VOR, and we can see everything data here. Okay, no problem for now, everything looks fine. We just can set at COM2 at NAV2 frequency the same frequencies. So now we have like not single channel but dual channel it's called, and we can do even auto land. But weather is fine, so I expect no problems to do manual landing or to try to do manual landing. Sorry, I press pause. Oh my god. This is why everything is not working fine, because I press pause. Sorry. Oh my god.
To assist with customs at our destination, flight attendants will begin handing out forms momentarily. Please review and complete these forms and keep them with you for presentation upon arrival.
And how long I was staying on the pause? You see, everything is going wrong. Everything is fucked up. Autopilot is working okay, no problems here. So what is our expected arrival in 30 minutes? Oh my god. Okay, no comments here. Okay, top of descent starts now. Retard. You see the power is going down and slowly descent is starting. Okay, any other restrictions here? Maybe BTED. No restrictions, no restrictions, no restrictions. Only this one not below, sorry, not below 4,000 feet here. After NICRA, continue on 127 heading. Radar vectoring will be provided unless otherwise instructed. That's funny. That's interesting procedure. Firstly, I see this one. And what is on this chart maybe saying about this? No, here we see just maybe another waypoints like Athena, and you go this way with heading 127 and then turn to the approach to the final course, and maybe you will be vectoring somewhere here. So, but we will use this one EF and this one IF, called BP 865. Distance 11.6 BRP. BRP is ILS DME now hour. No problems. No problems. Come back to cockpit, check everything is fine, speed is fine, little bit slowing down to 1550 knots. That's good. Why it's called DME here, I don't know. 109er decimal 5. 109er decimal 5. 109er decimal 5. It is ILS, not VOR. It's just for distance, I think. What about wind? Yes. Wind is blowing from right to left. And waiting 10,000 feet. And what about our passengers, when they expect our arrival in 20 minutes? Oh, I think again I should explain them that it will be another delay, not about weather, just some kind of generic.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the cockpit, this is your first officer speaking. We regret to inform you that we are going to be very slightly behind schedule. We do apologize for this slight inconvenience.
Yes, sorry guys, sorry passengers. Flaps is seen here and everything is fine, so not big deal. Whew. So nothing interesting for now. I think for maybe 3 minutes I can turn on kind of music and see you later. Okay, come back to you. Now we at flight level 210 and continue descent to flight level 100. Nothing interesting for now, so just continue approach, and let's check what is transition altitude for this arrival. We can find this information here, and where is it? No information here. Why? DME or GNSS required. Maybe some other information somewhere. Let's check not this chart but maybe approach chart. Transition altitude, yes, 10,000. No problem at all. Transition level by ATC. Okay, let's imagine ATC told the transition altitude is flight level 110. So we are now passing 190 and continue descent. Looks nice. For now, everything is fine. Let's zoom out a little bit. And we are really approaching now. No problems. Okay, frequencies are tuned, just waiting. Let's check recall, nothing special. Let's check here. Pressure is 5 and here is 5. Okay. Auto brake completed. Fuel is fine, and 11:30, so in 16 minutes we expect our landing. Okay, that's fine. Nice weather. Do light left turn. Flight level 160, continue descent. MCP, everything is set. So continue. I will turn on real traffic after we land, just to see what the airplanes are usually fly to Budapest, maybe some local air companies or some low costs. We will see. Anyway, continue. Flight level 140. We have some time to change our QNH, to set up our QNH. Now we will fly in the cloud, so maybe I will turn on some anti-ice. Really, I don't know if I must do it, but again, better to turn on than forget about it. So approaching flight level 130, continue descent. In case needed, I can use spoilers, but for now I not expect to do it. Flight level 128, continue descent. These clouds not look so nice, so good that we not go inside them. And in front of us, somewhere here, maybe we can see, okay, approaching flight level 110, so landing lights on and seatbelt sign on, and set local QNH 1019er.
The flight crew has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, transition flight level local set, pass signs on, landing lights on, pressurization landing altitude set,
We have
recall
begun our
check,
final descent into
no
your
problems.
destination. Flight
Landing
attendants
data
will
VREF
pass you through the
set,
cabin to collect any trash
minimums,
one final time.
let's check
Please ensure
minimums,
tray tables are stowed and seats are in the full upright
minimum
position.
radio
Please also
minimum
store
for
any
cut
carry-on items either in the seat back
2C
pocket or under the seat in
is
front of you.
126, so we will do baro minimum 130. Okay, set approach briefing completed, altimeters, okay, fine. Now continue, check deceleration if aircraft is okay with deceleration. Yes, it's totally fine, no need to use any kind of, at least for now, spoilers, and expect arrival at 1130 approximately, so in 11 minutes, and our passengers expect the same, so we are totally fine. Now we can see on our right, after level off, I think we will see runway somewhere down here. Yes, you see, we will land on this runway 31 right, and beautiful view outside. Okay, no problems for now, just expect turn right, and then we will start to catch localizer, and maybe we will set further descent here, not 4000 but I think it is 3000. Let's check again chart what we will do after we can descend to 3000 feet, and after IF 2500, and then wait until glide slope. No problems, so 3000 then 2500. It's totally fine. Weather is good, QNH is good, altimeter is local, after brake, let's check after brake again, set. ILS frequency Okay. At this point we will start to move flaps out. Not out but down. And you can see that power is almost set to idle, so no problems. $4,000 or above is okay. So let's move it down to 3,000 because I see that definitely we will be over Nikra at 4,000 feet and more. Let's maybe do flaps 1 now. And that's it for now. Okay, now we have passed this IAF at 4,000 or more and 3,000 at IF. I see that aircraft not hurrying too much, so let's put some speed here. I put speed. Just to be higher, let it be somewhere here. 165. And we will help to decelerate, for plane to decelerate, and we will do flaps 5. Sorry, again, I need to do it here. Okay, now it's look great. Altitude 3,000 feet. And we start to descend now. We can see localizer and glide slope here, so no problems. Just we need to expedite little bit our descent, and the aircraft do it. As you see, we want to be lower than glide slope, so we do it. Okay, now we can set up 2,500 feet. And maybe flaps 15. And speed 150. Let's click localizer and we are above glide slope, so maybe I don't know. Let's click glide slope, and if we are ready, just landing gear down, and let's do speed 140. It will be long approach, but anyway I think it will be fine. We are on glide slope actually now, on localizer. Speeds are set, so everything looks fine. Runway inside, just continue descent. and we will manage on the speed here. VREF is what is reference speed. Okay, no problems. Approximately 55%. Laggy, sorry, little bit laggy. 3000 feet here. We are already on glide slope. Maybe speed, let it be little bit lower, maybe 138, and spoilers armed, MCP speed set. Landing gear down, check, everything is fine. Okay, select VREF plus 5. So VREF, what is VREF? Our VREF we can find here 131, so 136 here. Everything looks fine. Yes, that's it. Little bit early start of glide slope capture, but if we are already on glide slope, so why not? Why not? Maybe it will help us to do a more smooth landing. Okay, I will put my legs on and start new recording. Okay, everything looks fine from my point of view. Speed is set. We are follow glide slope. So no problems. No problems. I see no problems for now. Continue with auto throttle and I will turn it off later. Okay, and altitude for missed approach is 3000 feet, so I will continue. Okay, everything is fine. Flight is recording now. Yes. So we are ready. What about wind? Wind is fine. Autopilot is on. Because of the wind, the aircraft is do some strange maneuvers, but no problem with it. Everything is under control. 55% of thrust is fine.
400.
Baro minimums on, and expect autopilot to turn off and continue manually.
300.
Okay, autopilot is off. Okay, reverse. It was smooth. And let's vacate to the left. Because we can do it, why not?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached our destination. The local time is
Okay, not the worst my
12:31
landing, I think maybe the
p.m.,
best.
and it's currently about 15
No
degrees
jumps, I feel no
Celsius.
jumps.
You can now use your mobile devices. Please remain
And
seated until the
maybe
aircraft has
taxi
come to a
lights
complete stop
on,
and seatbelt sign is
landing
turned
lights
off.
off,
Remember to use caution when
runway
opening the overhead
lights
bins, as
on,
items may have been shifted during the
and
flight.
the
Thank you for flying with us, and we
transponder
hope to
off.
see you again soon.
And let's start our APU. And let's turn off beacon lights. Okay, welcome to Budapest, and let's turn on local traffic. FS LTL traffic. Now will start to load. I will move to the right because I think it is better, the only possible way. Okay, traffic injector is ready. It wasn't landing on center line. Okay. Loading of local traffic is started, so it will be many lags now. Sorry. Okay, APU is ready, so I just do this one. And bleed from APU and bleed from engines is okay. IRS is not fine. Okay. Let's expedite our taxi out and read after landing checklist. Taxi lights on, runway turn off, eye lights on, strobe lights off, APU start, prop heat switches off, flight director off, and flaps up, weather radar off, terrain off, transponder standby, okay. APU generators on when available. Yes, we already turned them on. Okay, just continue taxiing to our parking stand and let's find the closest parking stand to us. It is paper airport scenery by, I not remember the developer, but I will put a link below. And I think we can use one of these stands. You can see another WizzAir near here, but I will try to find the stand somewhere here. I don't want to use gate, so maybe I will not do it. Okay, let's go to the right. I think this one is normal. This one stop will be okay for us. Okay, stop completed, parking brakes on, and let's check GS6 if it is happy that we choose this stand to stand here. For this moment I stop recording, completed. Now we will do the boardings and all this stuff like this. Maybe it's not the best place I choose. Yes, I think I need to go to the right. Yes, they're not the best place, so parking brakes don't want to work, I don't know why. No way we stuck here. Okay, now it's fine. Let's move to the normal stand. Nobody on the right, nobody on the left. So let's park here. Okay, now I'm more happy about our parking stand. So parking stand Romeo 226, and you can see coordinates here, tower here, and I think we are fine to do engine off, cut off. Let's check. Parking brake set, electrical APU or external power. Okay, start lever, cut off. Electric hydraulic pumps off, anti-ice off. Okay, electric hydraulic pumps off. Passenger sign off. Anti-collision switch off. Taxi runway turn off lights off. Fuel pump switches off, and the air conditioning system we will not do off yet because we use APU and I just want to start the boarding. So APU bleed is on and engine is off. Okay, left and right packs happy, are on. And what about our passengers? Let's start the boarding and see what will happen next.
You are currently parked at the wrong parking position.
Okay, they told me I'm parked at wrong park position. Why? Let's restart GS6 because as usually something is not fine with it. GS6. You can see Lufthansa. Why GS6 not working? Sorry, I don't know why. Let's do it again. GS6. Oh, finally. Request the boarding.
The boarding requested.
Oh, finally. Okay, let's open doors. And baggage doors. And what about lights? We have only wing off, anti-collision off, logo off. Yes, only this one is remain on. Okay, so welcome to Budapest. Let's see what about our passengers. Are they happy or no? Passengers are neutral. They are not too happy. Okay. What about this landing? It's not finished, so it's not recorded yet. Okay, as you see, it's my 9th flight because already 8 flights completed. Okay, the boarding is... Why they upset? I don't know. Everybody is upset. Why? Good landing, as I think, but they are not too happy with it. Okay, expecting for passenger bus. Passenger bus is coming, so in a few moments the boarding will be started. And baggage is already started to unloading. Let's see how this look like.
Starting.
You see some guide. Okay, aircraft near me is starting. Start APU, I think. So because such noise on background, or it is landing something or taxiing, I don't know. Okay, the boarding is started. These unhappy passengers are moving out. We had 2 or 3 delays on 10 minutes, so maybe because of this they are upset. I will know it only after the boarding completed, and I will read a report about these passengers. Okay, now let's do some kind of screenshot here. And maybe another one. Okay, I will shut down an aircraft. Fuel pumps off. Prop heat off, hydraulic panel set, flaps up set, parking brake on. And we will see if you replace. Sorry, moment. Да уже закончил. Почти. Только повторы посмотреть и все.
Passengers deboarding starting. Do you want to deboard crew? Crew deboarding starting. Pilots deboarding starting.